guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you exactly how I do my gel manicures at home and save a ton of money from going to the salon. So if you're on a tight budget but you don't want busted nails, then stick around and I'll show you how I do it. Hey guys, my name is Kristin. Thank you so much for watching today. This is a video I've been meaning to do forever. I love getting manicures and pedicures, but I hate spending the time in the salon and I really hate spending the money. So sometime last year I came across this awesome at-home gel manicure set and I asked for it for a birthday gift. So I got this for a birthday gift, and the first manicure I gave myself sucked. It was horrible, but I practiced a couple times and I've definitely gotten a lot better, and I absolutely love doing it myself. It saves me time and it saves me so much money. So if you don't have a gel kit at home, I'm gonna leave the description down below for the one that I use in this video today. You can check it out. It's worked well for me so far. And just a point, when you're starting to do anything at home that you're used to paying for, you're almost always gonna have some type of investment or cost up front. So it's front loaded though. You're going to pay the money to purchase the supplies that you need in the beginning, and then basically every single time you do your nails, it's almost like you're doing them for free. So I have saved so much money over the past couple months, and I want to share with you guys how I give myself my own gel manicures and pedicures at home. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is the kit that I had gotten for my birthday last year, and I just wanted to show you everything that comes in the kit. And this is why I had specifically asked for this kit, because it included everything I could possibly need. So these are the gel removal pads when you want to remove your polish. I did try them, they work okay. In all fairness, I haven't tried any others. I usually just rip my gel nails off, which is so bad for your nails, but that's what I do. These are obviously if you're going to give yourself a pedicure. They're separators so that you can polish your toes better. This is just a little brush to clean your nails. It comes with 6 polishes, and if you look at the link down below, you can see the colors. And then here's a file. This is a buffer. This is for your cuticles. This is just a metal, I don't know what the heck is this called, a scraper or something. So here's your light, and here's the USB cord for your light. A nail clipper. This is a cuticle trimmer. Sorry, I forgot that. And then you have your base coat polish, your top coat polish, just a little brush, and then these are the little alcohol pads that you can wipe the nails with after you're done curing them. So as you can see, it really does have everything you could need for a manicure. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a real light base coat, and for this video I'm only going to bother with my left hand because I am right-handed. So doing my right hand on camera is probably just going to be even more of a mess. Just going to go ahead and do the left hand, that way you guys can see the whole process and this video won't be a million years long like most of my videos. Okay, so again, the instructions say the lighter the better. So I'm just going to do a real light coat, and then when we're done putting the base coat on, we're going to cure it with the light. Now, one thing I will say about this kit is while the light does get the job done, it is not super strong. I do think eventually I might splurge on a better quality light, save me a little bit of time, because it gives you directions on how long to cure, but I usually do it like 3 times over to make sure it's cured. So that's it. Oops, I think I missed a tiny little spot here. Hang on one sec. That's the base coat, and this polish is very thick. And if you get your nails done in the salon, you've probably already seen that. So I'm done with the base coat. I'm just gonna put that over to the side. And then this light, you are supposed to press the button once for 30 seconds or press and hold it in for 60 seconds. And like I said, since the light isn't super strong, I will probably do this curing process about 3, maybe even 4 times using the 60-second setting. And that's also because I'm a little neurotic and just want to make sure it's cured. If you've ever had gel nails before, they're a real pain to get off. So once I kind of start this process, it's hard to stop and restart halfway through. So I like to make sure it's cured properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through me curing this, since you don't want to sit here and listen to me talk for the next 4 minutes.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same.
Okay, now just to mention, the base coat will still be slightly tacky after it's done curing. Now I'm going to go ahead and do 2 thin coats of the white polish, and I'm going to cure this in between as well. Polish goes on much easier than the base coat does. And I really try to be careful not to get it on the sides of my nails. I have pretty wide nail... Whoa. Stop it. I have pretty wide nail beds, and I really don't like when I get a gel manicure in the salon and they pretty much get it completely stuck to the sides of my skin. I think I just messed up there, so I'm going to grab this little tool. This probably isn't even what this is for. I'm going to scrape that off a little bit. And my thumb. Sorry, have to go out of frame here a little bit. Now white, if you ever use white polish before, white always looks a little patchy to me. So I'm hoping that when this is done, this is actually the first time I've used this white polish, but I'm hoping that when this is done, as it's gel, it will look much nicer. So I'm going to go ahead, this is the first coat, I don't know how you can see that good, and I'm going to go ahead and cure this probably for maybe 2 or 3 times. And I'm going to be a little bit more careful so I don't touch the sides of the light with my newly polished fingers.
Feel the same. Like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far.
Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a second coat on. I don't know if you can see this. It looks a little patchy. I don't know if that's the white polish or what. I don't recall it looking like that when I've done the manicure with this kit before. I will say that I mentioned I was going to use this to buff my nails and I totally forgot. And I wonder if that could be some of the issue, that maybe the base coat didn't stick as well in certain spots. I've always buffed them before the past couple times I've used this, and I haven't had this issue. So we will see. It might just be maybe an issue with the specific polish. It is covering somewhat, though not quite as much as I had hoped. We'll see. I'm just going to keep going, and even if it doesn't look perfect, I'm going to still keep it on because I don't really feel like redoing them. So it covered pretty good, but I'm going to go ahead and cure this a couple of times. Okay, so it did cover pretty decently. I'm going to have to see how it goes with the next hand. When I'm finished with this video, I'll make sure to use the buffer on the next hand. And the next step is to put the top coat on. And this is very sticky and thick as well. It's kind of gross. But I just do my best to get it even. And again, I try to really get the bottom so the polish doesn't lift. And the tops. And then I'm going to cure this a couple times when I'm not filming. I usually just have the TV on or a podcast on while I'm doing this, so I don't mind taking some extra time to cure it. Again, this whole process takes me way less time than actually going to the salon and having to sit there and wait. So I don't mind taking some extra time to make sure it's cured. So I'm going to do this a couple extra times. And I also wanted to mention, even though this isn't a perfect replacement for the salon, I have done pedicures. I probably gave myself a pedicure maybe about a month ago, and it still looks pretty decent, guys. I was really impressed with it, especially for the money. Now this kit I got from Amazon, and Amazon changes their prices all the time, as you probably know. So I've seen it run anywhere from about $30 up to $45-ish, and anywhere in between. Okay guys, so I covered a lot more than I thought once I put the top coat on and everything's cured. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it doesn't feel sticky, grab my alcohol pad, and just wipe off each nail. And then I will just put a little bit of this just dials up. I'll put a little bit of this on each cuticle and just kind of rub it in, just because the alcohol definitely dries your cuticles out. And it smells really good too. It smells kind of like strawberries. And that's it. That is how I do my at-home gel manicures and save a crap ton of money. And I am going to go ahead, turn off the camera and do the other hand, and then I'll show you the finished product at the end. All right guys, so that was the entire process of the gel manicure at home. Start to finish when I'm not filming it, it maybe takes 20 to 25 minutes. It's really not bad. For me, it's so much of a time saver because I'm not driving to the salon, possibly waiting my turn, then doing the whole manicure, driving home. So it saves me time and money. And if you've been to my channel before, you know I will do almost anything to save time and be more efficient. Here's the finished product. I got both hands done of my gel manicure. As I said, it's not perfect, but to be completely honest, I've had plenty of manicures in the salon where I've paid $40 and I came home and had to fix parts of it myself because it's not always perfect in a salon either. This will last me a couple of weeks. It's so worth the small investment up front. I have it here, I have it at my disposal. I can do it whenever I want. I don't have to make an appointment. I don't have to wait. So I highly, highly recommend doing it. Even if you suck at doing nails like I do, don't worry about it. After a couple manicures, you'll be able to do them just fine. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link to this whole gel manicure kit. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and also tell me, do you do your own nails at home? I'd love to know. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.